Affect versus effect. These are another set of words to get commonly confused with. Let's get some clarity. Affect with an A is a verb, which means to impact or to influence. For example, the cold and dull weather will affect my mood. A great way to remember this could be the common A's in affect and action. And of course, action means a verb. On the other hand, effect with an E is a noun, which is actually the result of a change or an action performed. For example, what effect will the cold weather have on you? So, if A affects B, B will have the effect of action of A. So if this difference has been affecting your English all this while, I hope as an effect of this video, you will remember not to repeat these mistakes. If you want to get more such insights, join the Unnati English Workshop. Visit us at unti.in/eng. And please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.